So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on any service one time and then click on S on your keyboard. Now you're going to find sysmain. You're going to scroll down till you find sysmain, double click on it. You're going to make the startup type disabled and then click on stop. And then click on OK. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you just want to copy and paste the path, which will be down below in the description. So you're going to highlight over this, do Ctrl+C to copy it, come into registry editor, delete this where it says computer, and then do Ctrl+V to paste this, and then click on enter. And now this will come up. And then once we're here, you want to right click on the white space, and then click on new, and then click on dword 32-bit value. You want to call this disable compression. Spell it the same way how I did with the same capitals and lowercase, and then click on enter. And now you're going to double click on disable compression, change the value data to 1, make sure you have the number 1 in this box, and then click on OK. That's how you do it.